students, today we are going to fill the blanks on page number 18. The first blank is the symbol. This means and. The set consisting of only common element of two set is called intersection of two set. हमें पता है जब हम दो सेट्स का जब हम कॉमन एलिमेंट लिखते हैं तो उसको इंटरसेक्शन कहते हैं. एंड ऑल द पॉसिबल एलिमेंट ऑफ द सेट अंडर कंसिडरेशन इज कॉल्ड अ यूनिवर्सल सेट. टू सेट आर कॉल्ड ओवरलैपिंग इफ देयर इज़ एटलीस्ट वन एलिमेंट कॉमन बिटवीन देम. अगर कोई भी एक एलिमेंट कॉमन हो तो उसको ओवरलैपिंग कहते हैं. इन सेट द यूनिवर्सल सेट एक्ट एज आइडेंटिटी फॉर इंटरसेक्शन. यूनिवर्सल सेट एज आइडेंटिटी हम यूज़ करते हैं इंटरसेक्शन में. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, दैट इज टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. जो सही आंसर है उसको टिक करेंगे. टू राइट एन एम्प्टी सेट वी यूज सिंबल 5. द कंप्लीमेंट ऑफ सेट ए कैन बी रिटन एज ए डैश. इफ ए इक्वल्स टू 1 2 एंड बी ए बी देन इंटरसेक्शन. हमें पता है कि ए और बी में कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है, दैट इज़ वाई इंटरसेक्शन विल बी 5. इफ़ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज़ इफ़ ए इज़ 1 3 एंड बी इज़ 1 2 3 देन ए यूनियन बी इज़. हमें पता है कि हमने सारे एलिमेंट्स लिख देने हैं तो हमारे पास इसका आंसर 1 2 3 आएगा. बी डिफर्स ए इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय बी डैश ए. ए कंप्लीमेंट यूनियन ए इक्वल्स टू U. This is identity property जो हमने कुछ exercise 1.4 में solve की थी. Students, because we are studying review exercise, that is why I am just solving some part of each question and the remaining are your homework, because you can now able to solve all the question by yourself very easily. Question number 4 is write the following set in the set builder form. We have A 1 5 6 7 and 8. We know that in set builder form we write it as x by x belongs to natural number, because 5 6 7 8 are the natural number and they are between 4 to 9. That is why we wrote it as 4 is less than x is less than 9. Question number 2 is B 0 1 2. And in set builder form we will write it as x by x belongs to whole number, because we know that whole numbers start from 0 and x is less than 3. 3 से छोटे हैं सारे. C is A E I O U. X for x. X by x is a vowel of the English alphabets. Question number 5 is write the following set in descriptive and tabular form. We have A with the x by x belongs to whole number and x is less than 7. 7 से सारे छोटे एलिमेंट लिख देंगे और हमें पता है ये होल नंबर है and we know that whole number start from 0. So from 0 to 6 all the elements are the set of A. And in descriptive form we will write it as set of whole number less than 7. Question number 2 is B. X by x belongs to E, means even number, and 3 is less than x is less than 12. So we know that in even number we will write 4, 6, 8 and 10, because 4 is greater than 3 and 10 is less than 12, and the other even number is will be 12. So we should not write 12 because it is not what we want. And in descriptive form we will write it as set of even number from 4 to 10 or set of even number greater than 3 and less than 12. Both are correct. Okay, come to the question number 6, in which we have if A is 3 4 5 6 and B is 2 4 6, verify that A union B equals to B union A. First of all, we know that we are going to solve left hand side. In left hand side we will write a set of A and then set of B, and in union we write all the elements of A and B. And in right hand side we will write B union A. First of all the set of B and then set of A, and also in union we know that all the element of A and B are written. Hence it is proved that left hand side is equals to right hand side. Now come to the question number 7, which is if x is 2 3 4 5 and y is 1 3 5 7, then find x minus y. So 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1, 3, 5, 7. We will cancel the same element, just like 3 is same in both and 5 is same in both, and the remaining element of x are 2 and 4, so we will write 2 and 4 here. And then y minus x, in y minus x we have 1, 3, 5, 7 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will again subtract the common element that are 3 and 5, and the remaining element of set y are 1 and 7, so we will write 1 and 7 here. Students, question number 4, 5 and 6 have have more parts, like question number 4 have 4 and 5 part as well, question number 5 have 3 and 4 part as well, question number 6 have second part. These are your homework. I hope you can do these questions by yourself. Inshallah, tomorrow we will do next question. Allah Hafiz.